With their recent success in the fitness watch market, G-Shock are leaning into these Bluetooth models a lot more, it seems. So let's unbox a new model from them. This is the GBD300-9D G-Squad. This particular model using a bright orange bio-based resin exterior with an inverted MIP display surrounded by this black textured dial. So these G-Squad models are very fitness focused. So there's a bunch of different training modes inside, but of course, if you want to take full advantage of the features of this watch, you've got to make use of the Bluetooth function and connect it up with your phone. So to do that, just download the G-Shock Move app, and the setup is simple as. Connecting it with your phone also adds the benefit of automatic time adjustment. So when you cross over into a new time zone when you're traveling, this watch will instantly change time. Other handy functions like an LED backlight, a fully automatic calendar, and daily alarms round out this model to create quite a handy watch. Useful in many scenarios day to day, training, working out, and traveling. With a 200 meter water resistance, you could go diving with one of these, and of course, being a G-Shock, you can guarantee it will survive even the nastiest of falls, scrapes, and hits. So if you're in the market for a practical and feature-packed digital watch, consider one from the G-Squad range. With heaps of different colorways and designs to choose from, this fitness-focused range from G-Shock has something for everyone. But would you wear this watch? That's the golden question. Let me know in the comments down below. Hit that like button if you like this video. Subscribe to the Watch Depot channel for more watch unboxings. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.